Let me paint you a picture. It's a Sunday afternoon, tax deadline is coming up fast, and you're sitting there scrolling through literally hundreds of photos trying to find one receipt from a business lunch you had back in March. You finally find it, but it's blurry, or it's cut off, or the numbers are so small you can barely read them. So you squint, you guess, you type something in, and then you just hope it's right. And then you've got PDFs scattered across 3 different folders. You can't remember which version is the final one. And by the end of it, you're exhausted, stressed out, and honestly not even sure if your numbers are correct. That's not a system. That's just chaos with extra steps. So today I want to show you a better way. A single, streamlined workflow that takes your receipts from the moment you get them all the way to filing, without jumping between a bunch of different apps or manually typing in data. The tool I've been using for this is called PDFelement, and honestly, it's changed the way I handle tax season completely. I'm going to walk you through exactly how I use it, step by step. Okay, first rule of tax season, and this is important: capture your receipts the moment you get them. Not later, not tonight, right now. Because here's what happens when you say, "I'll do it later." You don't. The receipt ends up in your pocket, then in the wash, and then it's gone forever. So what I do is I use the PDFelement mobile app to scan receipts on the spot. Let me show how. Open your PDFelement app. Now come to the Tools tab and find the Receipt Assistant feature. Open it. Now you have to scan the receipt. And this isn't just taking a photo. The app actually automatically detects the edges of the receipt, crops it perfectly, and cleans up the image so it's sharp and readable, no more blurry cut-off messes. Now here's where it gets really cool. Once you scan a receipt, PDFelement uses OCR technology, that's optical character recognition, to automatically pull out all the important information. We're talking the merchant name, the date, the total amount, even the taxes. It reads the receipt and extracts the data for you. You don't have to type a single thing. And the best part? If you want to double-check any of the extracted info, you just tap on it, and the app jumps straight to that exact spot on the original receipt image. So verification takes like 2 seconds instead of 2 minutes. Alright, so now you've got all your receipts scanned and organized on your phone, but you're going to need them on your computer when it's time to actually file, right? With PDFelement, everything syncs automatically. The moment you scan something on your phone, it shows up on the desktop version. No emailing files to yourself, no USB drives, no "where did I save that" moments. It's just there, ready to go. Now on the desktop, this is where things get really powerful. You can take all those individual receipt scans and merge them into one clean, organized PDF document. You can reorder them chronologically, group them by category, like travel, meals, office supplies, and even add a custom cover page for each section. So when your accountant or the IRS asks for your expense records, you're not sending them a chaotic mess. You're sending them something that looks professional and is easy to navigate. And with batch processing, you can do all of this for multiple receipts at the same time. Instead of going one by one, you handle everything in one shot. It saves so much time. Here's another thing I love about PDFelement. You can fill out tax forms directly inside the app. So if you need to fill out a W-9 or any other interactive tax form, you don't have to print it out, fill it in by hand, and then scan it back in. You just open it in PDFelement, type directly into the fields, and you're done. Clean, digital, no paper mess. Now, when you're dealing with financial documents, there's always sensitive information you don't want floating around. Account numbers, social security numbers, that kind of thing. PDFelement has a smart redaction tool that lets you black out that information permanently before you share any documents, so you stay protected and you stay compliant. And last but definitely not least, PDFelement has a built-in AI assistant that acts like a second pair of eyes on your work. You can ask it to summarize your expenses, verify that your totals match up with your receipts, or just double-check that everything looks right. It doesn't get tired, it doesn't miss things, and it gives you that extra layer of confidence that your numbers are actually correct before you hit submit. So let's do a quick recap of the whole workflow. Step 1. Scan your receipts immediately with the mobile app. Step 2. Let OCR extract the data automatically, then verify it with a tap. Step 3. Sync everything to your desktop instantly. Step 4. Merge and organize your receipts into professional PDFs using batch processing. Step 5. Fill out your tax forms directly inside PDFelement. Step 6. Redact any sensitive information before sharing. Step 7. Use the AI assistant to double-check everything. That's it, that's the whole system, and look, I know tax season feels overwhelming, but when you have a system like this, it genuinely changes things. What used to take me an entire weekend now takes me about 45 minutes. And the best part? I actually trust my numbers now because I've verified everything step by step. If you want to try PDFelement for yourself, I'll drop the link down in the description below. Seriously, give it a shot before tax season hits full swing. You'll thank yourself later. Alright, that's going to do it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It really does help the channel out more than you know. And if you're not subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any future videos. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.